Hi everyone, welcome to Instagram Marketing Roadmap. I am Charin Shah, your content mentor, and I'm going to be helping you build authority and add at least 10,000 followers organically to your Instagram. In today's module, we are going to be discussing niche, finding your persona. So, why should you even find your niche? Why is it important? In especially in today's day and age on Instagram, you really need to know what type of content you have to create, for whom you're creating, what kind of people will be following you, and what kind of money will you make eventually through Instagram, right? So, and that is exactly the reason that it's very, very important for you to find your niche. Now, truth to be told, that 85% of people are confused with their niche because they haven't even started creating content. There is no way you can know your niche before even starting the record button, or even making one single reel. You have to consistently start posting, then you'll realize what you like, what you don't like, what people are liking, and what's your actual passion and what you like creating, basically. So, yes, that is why we should be finding a niche. And now we will be going through a niche triangle framework so that you can find your niche. These are the three circles. It's things I'm passionate about. Can I make content for the next 6 months on this particular expertise? Can I make money from this niche? Now, you don't have to just write one liners here and give a generic reply to all these questions. You have to go thoda in depth about it. And if you don't know what you're passionate about or what your expertise is, come to the key questions and try to answer those. For example, things I'm passionate about. For that, you can answer what topics make you lose track of time, or what do you naturally love talking or teaching? What type of content do you consume the most? If you answer these, you'll eventually get to the answer of things I'm passionate about. For example, in my case, when I am passionate about content creation, psychology of virality, brand building, helping founders build their personal brands, building systems, scaling creators, generating leads for clients, etc. So, all of this is what my answer will be to these questions, and that circle will be filled by that. Coming to the next part, my expertise. Now, in the same way, the questions you can answer is, what can you talk about confidently without research? What results have you already achieved that others don't have? Like in my example, I have already helped multiple creator pages grow to 20,000 plus followers organically. I've helped founders scale brands and build communities. So that is my leverage. I can share journey about my agency, which is Creator Lab, and how it's building. So I for sure know that on this topic, I can definitely create content for the next 6 months. You need to find that expertise for yourself. Coming to the last one, which is really, really important, and to actually have followers that pay you for your service or the product that you're selling is very, very important to build in that manner. So, can I make money from this niche? Does this niche really solve a very big pain point? Ask yourself that. Can people pay for that clarity, systems, or results that you're giving them? Is there demand? Is there enough demand for your coaching, your consulting, or the product that you're selling? In my case, when it comes to, for an example, if I take my case, yes, founders have a biggest pain point of building their personal brand and owning a distribution at today's day and age, because first of all, they don't have time to do that. They don't know how to do that. They don't have a team. So they will definitely come to me for my solution that I'm giving, because they have other priorities, like making sure that the business is working, the other teams, operations, logistics, everything else. So yeah, the demand is there. The problem that I'm solving is huge because they need to own distribution. Meta is getting expensive. So all of this, think through and answer these questions in depth. Don't do surface level answering. Once you've answered all the three circles, now what you're going to do is going to combine it and find a sweet spot, which is eventually going to be your niche. Okay, coming to the final segment, which is your homework. You have to do this before watching the next module anyhow. Okay, this is the same Google spreadsheet that you had duplicated in the previous video. Click on it. Now you will click on the second sheet and fill this up. You have to fill in your niche, topics, problems of your audience, and sub niches, and make sure it is well thought of and done properly. Alright, guys, see you all in the next video. Bye.